What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Potionty back at it with another video, and if it ain't good, then it's nice indeed, famo. Welcome to the channel, everyone. I welcome you all back. If you're already subscribed to the channel, if you're new to the channel, welcome to YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel because you'll be learning a lot from the channel. Yeah, just subscribe, turn on post notifications, make sure you hit the thumbs up button on like my last 10 videos. I guess I don't know why, but I guess because it's a good thing. And yeah, don't forget to watch the ads, don't skip the ads, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, anyway, excuse me. In today's video, I'm just gonna, like, as y'all can hear, like, I'm really chilled, you know what I'm saying. So like I'm gonna make just a normal chilled piano beat, like just neutral, like really chilled, you know, on the chill end, so soulful side and stuff like that. Like, this is the type of piano I prefer, like just chilled piano, nothing too major, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, let's see what are we working with. So I'm gonna go ahead, put in a kick right there. So I really hope this video is informative to those that like Soulful piano, you know. I really hope it's informative. What I'm doing right now is I'm actually tweaking the kick to give it more sub, you know what I'm saying. So let's go ahead. I don't, when I make Soulful piano, I don't like my kicks as punchy as possible, you know what I'm saying. I like them neutral. Excuse me, I don't know what's happening with my throat, but I like my kicks as neutral as possible, you know, chilled. I'm just gonna show you something with the chords and stuff like that. But anyway, let's get the regular stuff out. Let's take the and then just Control B. Alright, let me get some volume. So when I make these type of beats, like chill beats, I really think about it like before actually get into making the beat. So this gonna help a lot. You know what I'm saying. Well, for me, I'm like thinking real deep right now. So alright, Control save. Always save your projects, because if although we don't experience it anymore, but like if our studio had this thing where it like just used to jam like out of the blue, just glitch and say what you call the software has stopped working or something like that, you know what I'm saying. So like it's always good to make sure that you actually save your projects. So I'm gonna get into the chords now. I don't know what I'm gonna use for my chords. Mixes, okay. Let's get the regular stuff just out of the way, and yeah. And then I'm gonna show you how to make chords. You know, the regular stuff. What the hell is happening with my PC? This thing is never so slow. This thing is never so slow. What the hell? Anyway, let's see what other plugin can we get in here that'll give us something soulful. Not anything rough. Let's play with Soulful for once, you know. I don't usually use Soulful. I used to when I didn't have like so much plugins and stuff, but now oh my god, these sounds are so horrible. Oh, that sounds so bad. Let's go to JE sample pack. There should be a preset here. Josie Customs presets. Yeah, sounds more like. Okay, so layer my chords. I don't know any chord theory and stuff like that. Like I'm just hopping in at random. Okay, let's do deep touches. Yeah, wonderful. Okay, I have some idea in mind. Alright, let's try that. Sounds a bit off to me. Yeah, that's the one. Layer. So the key with chords, soulful amapiano or house, anything soulful, you need to keep the velocity down. So I'm gonna lower that 2 octaves. Let's try replacing that with Harmo. Uh, oh my gosh, this PC is so slow. The reason why I'm not using my new PC is because I still have most of my stuff on my old PC, so it's kind of hard transitioning from a new laptop to another one because I'm still like holding on to this one because like I've had this laptop for 6 years. This laptop sold me my first beat. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just so much. I know what's making so much noise. Okay, that's too intensive on my CPU. Log drum all the way up. All right. So y'all know how I like to top them chords off and everything. I just like layering a nice E flute and we'll call it a day, I guess. Let's try and mix this on top of it. Whew. For some reason, that sounds so beautiful. Nah, wasting time. Wasting time. Harmless, the last edition. Okay, this is just gonna be random. Remember guys, key is important and drums and sound selection is important. So there you have it for today's video guys. I hope you liked it. I'm not gonna lay out anything because I'm trying to get as much videos as possible, because as you all know, I'm going back to school again, so yeah, I'm trying to get as much videos done as possible. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, do everything. And yeah, hopefully, I don't know, maybe next month I'm finna drop JE sample pack 6. Maybe next month, I don't know, but we'll see how it goes guys. We'll see how it goes because stuff is just really crazy. But yeah, y'all stay dope, y'all stay fresh. This is Mr. If It Ain't Good, it's nice signing out.